Did you know you can make a high-brightness AC LED bulb at home using simple components and no expensive driver? Today, I will show you how I made this 72 LED AC LED bulb step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you like simple and practical electronics projects, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I have made a homemade LED light bulb using 72 golden color LED diodes mounted on an aluminum round LED plate. This bulb works directly on 220 volt AC supply. The components used in this project are 72 LED diodes, aluminum round LED plate, 4007 diode bridge, two 470k ohm quarter watt resistors, one 105J 400 volt capacitor, one 470 microfarad 100 volt capacitor, one 15 ohm 1 watt resistor. Connect the 105J capacitor and one 470k ohm resistor in parallel. Make a diode bridge using 4007 diodes. Connect the second 470k resistor between the positive and negative terminals of the diode bridge. Connect the 15 ohm 1 watt resistor to the positive side of the diode bridge. The other side of this resistor connects to the positive terminal of the 470 microfarad capacitor. The negative terminal of the 470 microfarad capacitor connects to the negative side of the diode bridge. Connect one side of the parallel 105J capacitor and 470K resistor to the AC input of the diode bridge, as shown in the diagram. The second AC wire connects directly to the other AC terminal of the diode bridge. Now connect the LED positive wire to the positive terminal of the 470 microfarad capacitor and the LED negative wire to the negative terminal of the capacitor. If you like this project, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple electronics projects. Your support motivates me to make more useful videos. This circuit works on high AC voltage, so please be careful while testing and always take proper safety precautions. Now our LED bulb circuit is complete. As you can see, when I apply 220 volt AC supply, the LED bulb glows brightly and smoothly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project.